Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing Escovitch snapper. Here I have my seasoning, my black pepper and my easy spice seasoning from Jamaica. I have my onion here, my peppers, I have my pimento, and I have a carrot and some hot pepper. So now I'm going to season my fish and I'm going to fry them, and after I'm going to do the rest of the stuff. Now it's Easter coming up. I know a lot of people don't want to eat meat on this weekend, so that's why I'm making my Escovitch fish from tonight. So I have it for the rest of the week to eat. Okay guys, so my fish are all seasoned. I'll just wash my hands and get back. So now I'm just waiting on my oil to be hot so I could start frying the fish. And in another pot over here, I'm gonna add my vinegar. I'm gonna add the pimento and a little vinegar. And in this pot now I'm gonna add a little olive oil in this one, just for the sweet pepper and stuff. So I'd like 2 spoonfuls of olive oil in with the vinegar. So I'm gonna put in my carrots first, then I'm gonna put the onion, and then I'll put the sweet pepper after. So I'm gonna start frying the fish. So it's hot now. So okay guys, remember to like and share and give me a thumbs up, please. Let's make it be a big family, and I would like you guys to share with your other friends and family too. You tell one person, another person can tell another person about my channel. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my onion, my carrots over here. I'm making the escovitch until the fish are finished fried. And I don't want my onion to be cooked too soft, so I like to taste that crispiness in the onions when I'm eating them. I need that crunchiness in the onion. I'm gonna add on my sweet pepper. Just let the vinegar and the oil go over there. That's it. I don't want them to be cooked. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna set this aside and wait until my fish are finished frying. So you see how colorful it is. I'm just gonna wait until my fish is finished frying. I just put them over here. I'll show you guys how I do it. Okay guys, so now the fish is finished frying. I'm gonna put on the Escovitch on it. Now I'm gonna put on my onion and sweet pepper and stuff on it. Okay guys, so this is the finished product guys. It's looking beautiful. So this is my Escovitch snapper. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys will come back again and give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel please. So see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.